Hello, my fabulous Algebra 3 class. Today, we will write an explicit formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence. The nth term, which is also called the general term of a geometric sequence, with the first term being a sub 1 and the common ratio being r, is given by the explicit formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1, which is the first term, times r, which is a common ratio, and this common ratio is raised to the n minus 1 power. Let's look at an example of where we're going to write an explicit formula for the nth term of each geometric sequence. And we are going to start with this geometric sequence 2, which is the a sub 1 term, 10 is the a sub 2 term, 50 is the a sub 3 term, 250 is the a sub 4 term. Well, the first term is a sub 1. To find the common ratio, we take two consecutive terms and divide. A sub 2 divided by a sub 1, which is 10 divided by 2 is 5. A sub 3 divided by a sub 2, 50 divided by 10, which is 5. So the common ratio is 5. Then we write down the nth term for the geometric sequence. And we have to replace the a sub 1 with 2 and the common ratio with 5. Notice that I put the common ratio in parentheses because this exponent, n minus 1, only refers to this common ratio. So our answer is, for the explicit formula, a sub n equals 2 times the common ratio 5 raised to the n minus 1 power. Let's look at another example. Here, for this geometric sequence, we have the a sub 1 term is 18, the a sub 2 term 6, the a sub 3 term 2, the a sub 4 term 2/3. Well, the first term, the a sub 1 term, is 18. To find the common ratio, we take two consecutive terms, a sub 2 divided by a sub 1, 6 divided by 18, which is 6 over 18, which reduces to 1/3. A sub 3 divided by a sub 2, which is 2 divided by 6, which is 2 over 6, which reduces to 1/3. So our common ratio is 1/3. We write the nth term formula and then we do our substitution. The a sub 1 term is 18, the common ratio is 1/3, and that common ratio is raised to the n minus 1 power. So the explicit formula for this geometric sequence is a sub n equals 18 times the common ratio 1/3 raised to the n minus 1 power. Let's look at finding a particular term when the nth term of the sequence is given. It says, if the nth term of a geometric sequence is a sub n equals 2 times 5 to the n minus 1, find the a sub 8 term. So the very first thing I do, I'm going to write down the general term, the nth term for this sequence, and then I'm going to find the a sub 8. The n is 8. This n and this n are the very same. So see, the a sub 8 term, so the n is 8. So it's going to be 2 times the common ratio 5 raised to the 8 minus 1. But 8 minus 1 is 7. Now remember, this exponent only refers to this common ratio. So when we take the 5 and raise it to the 7th power, we're getting 78,125. Then times 2. And we're going to have then that the a sub 8 term is 156,250. We found a particular term once we knew the nth term of a geometric sequence. And as you are reviewing this video, remember to stop, rewind, review. Stop, rewind, review. and my love goes out to you.